time to start spoiling the birds again. I added more PVC to this. Before I only had a section up to right to here, and the squirrels were just jumping right over it, climbing up. They were actually using the camera here to launch over here. They ate through one of the plastic feeders. I almost got through this one. They haven't yet. I don't expect them to get back up here. And all these are metal feeders. So that is the woodpecker and songbird Soet doe, wild bird feeding. Doesn't have a flavor specified. This one I typically just fill with millet. Got some black sunflower in it, some millet. This falls in the ground, the doves like it. This is the new one to replace the plastic one that got eaten. Not sure what we'll put in this yet. Go with some songbird. And how easy would that fall out? It falls out pretty easily. That should keep the chipmunks and the squirrels entertained as well. Hello, hello. And then for the metal cage, we're going to use some just songbird, a lot of black sunflower.
What's that?
Refeeding the birds. The squirrels had destroyed the last setup.
Huh.
So I've added PVC to the pipe so they can't get up. Watch the camera.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'm filming.
I was gonna say hi.
Oh, you can say hi all you want. Yeah, so I had another one of these over here. They ate through the base of it. So the bottom fell out. But it was only coming up to here. So they were literally just jumping to this. They were using this and then jumping over.
Oh,
so
wow.
I added a couple more segments of the PVC. Haven't had them out here anymore. Got the game camera right here in the corner of the house. Right on the white pipe. Nope, over here.
The black thing
Oh.
is tied up.
Oh.
And then this one will have corn in it. This one's got a camera right in the front.
Oh, so you're gonna catch them in real time.
Oh, the wrens were hilarious. It ran out of food,
Uh-huh.
and the birds were coming up here and tweet, 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 and coming right up to the camera, tweet, 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 and then flying off.
This is he does this in his spare time.
And this is my spare time. This is all filmed products. These are all products they sent me. They got me in. I'm in right now for they're considering sending another. They want to go ahead and use it for testing.
Yeah.
They're like, well, you have to give us the footage for it for 3 months, but we'll set you up on other cameras. I said, send it.
Yep. You'll just get it on. You'll get it on film.